Hello guys, good morning. What a great time to be alive. So welcome to a new episode of Coffee Talks. My name is Nienke Nina and I am a digital nomad. I'm currently in Bali. I think one of the beautiful things on this digital nomad journey is that you meet so many people from all walks of life. And with that, there's so much knowledge, there's so much wisdom, and you can just learn so much about how other people experience things, how they deal with stuff, and really get like super good life hacks. So this week's topic is about collaboration. I really learned a lot about it actually last week. Collaboration, so doing things together, creating stuff together. I love the concept. I'm a creative thinker, so I think especially coming from design school, remember from back then everyone was always a little bit protected over their work. So collaboration was something that it's something that I'm not very used to when it comes to the creative stuff. Of course, I worked in teams over the years, so I did collaborate. But I think with a creative mind, it's a little bit different because you don't want to share everything to the world. Maybe because you're afraid that someone is going to steal your idea or going to take the good stuff out of it. So 2 things that I learned. If you have a great idea, it's super awesome. Don't keep it for yourself, just share it, because if someone else is gonna do it before you were just not quick enough. And this is more to like last week. I had a great idea, so I'm creating the content now. So I started this series, Digital Nomad Talks, and while I was recording with other nomads and asked them questions about their daily life hacks, stuff like how to stay productive, how to find work. Like there's so many daily life questions for nomads, and I'm trying to answer these questions. I wanted to post this on my own YouTube channel. But then I felt like this topic is way much bigger, so I wanted to get another YouTube channel and post it there. Maybe there is a channel available, Digital Nomads Daily. And honestly guys, I was like, of course this is not available. Someone took this, but it was available. One of my friends that I met here in Bali a couple of months ago, I was about to interview her for Digital Nomad Talks. And then I told her this story, and then she said, let's see if there is a URL. And I was like, of course that is taken. I mean, digitalnomadsdaily.com, that's taken. So we went on the Google domain and it was not. It was available. So she got it. I was like, oh, I didn't bring my credit card. I don't know, maybe I was making up excuses, but in 2 seconds she got it. She was like, no, it's okay, I got it for you. And that was for me the point. I was like, that's so sweet, that's so nice. So first moment there is that if I wouldn't have shared that journey with her, I might not be even so proudly in this chair today. So anyway, so following happenings were that we also checked if there was an Instagram account available, a Facebook page, Medium. So we got all the social accounts. We were thinking about this together. We were like brainstorming about it. And then there was a point where I asked her, what do you want to get out of this? Because it started to be a little bit vague whether this was my project or our project. So it's good to determine those things when you're going to collaborate. She wants me to be successful. She really wants me to succeed in the creative stuff that I'm doing, but she also sees that I'm struggling. I am a creative mind, and also this week I learned that I have really trouble selling myself, selling my skill set, and actually translating my skill set or me in money, which is weird because I feel like I'm 28. This is something that I should know. I don't. So I've people around me that help me. They coach me in these types of things. So also with collaboration, is that Samantha was like, no, like this is your project. I know you're gonna do great, but I do think you can use some help. I would love to coach you, and I want to help you to be successful and to create things and to create the content that you have been talking about for the past few months, actually ever since I know you. And that was amazing. And I started like on this journey last week, collaborating with someone that is very smart, is very passionate, has a very good sense of creativity, and understands me. We have been connecting on different levels, in different ways, different places, with different people. And I feel like this is a good collaboration. And what I found now is that we have been working the whole week super hard. This week we're going to work really, really hard. And on Friday, I'm going to launch my project. And I think it's great because I know that without collaborating, I wouldn't be here today so happy. And I might even would be still struggling. Like, advice that I want to give you about what I learned this week is don't be shy to collaborate. Find people that you can share your ideas with, and you don't have to go like full blown and say like from A to Z. Just pitch some minor ideas, just very small bits of it, and see how people react to it. We have so much knowledge together. The world isn't built by one person. May some people believe that. Everything that we see right now, this is great. This is great for the morning, guys. Everything that we see, everything that you look around, it's created by people. So this whole world is one big collaboration. And I think if you want to be meaningful to yourself, start to collaborate. Do it. So that was for this week. Thank you so much. I'm super excited to launch. I wish you a very, very good week. Make the best of it. And I also would love to hear if you're going to collaborate, what kind of people would you approach, and also share your collaboration experience. Would be cool to see like how do other people think about this. Thank you so much. Have a good week. Oh, and don't forget to support, subscribe, and like, and comment. Okay, bye guys, that was it.